Absolutely. We've never been busier. Profits keep rising. I can't get enough people, more machinery. We have no problems at all manufacturing here. Labour is of no consequence because we've designed for manufacture. We just don't touch the part very much. So the future is incredibly rosy. It's just keep on going. It's onwards and upwards.
I don't see any reason why not. True, the costs are high here, but you've got to make sure that you're competing in areas where you can add high value or your niche, and you can really add value to your customers' needs. And I think the thing for Australian manufacturers to focus on, which is what we've tried to do, is to try to be really, really good at something that's got a global demand, rather than try and do a little bit of everything for a small domestic market.
Look, I think it can. We're certainly extremely optimistic from our perspective. I think it's about finding a niche, it's about finding competitive advantage, and I think it's about being bold. We've pretty much decided that we shouldn't be limited by the Australian domestic market. We've recognised that we're only going to get so much growth domestically. The vast majority of our focus is on the international market. We're putting a lot of emphasis to create an international distribution network to give us the growth that we're anticipating for this, and so far so good.
Only if we commit ourselves to that. I think that it starts with believing that we can do this. You know, there are many countries and many examples that have shown that the challenge is huge, but it can be done if you work together. A great example that's really live today is in Germany, where the people have worked with management to make sure that manufacturing can thrive and develop. And we can do the same in Australia. People say always we have a small customer base, and that's true for Australia necessarily. But we live on the edge of a huge market in Southeast Asia. And if we properly manage that, then Australia can manufacturing survive.